Hi everyone, I'm just working on a little box here today. As you can see, I've taped up my box all around. I have given 2 base coats of white this time to see if it's going to help my surface have a nicer finish. So hopefully I'll have a better surface preparation, better results. I will be working today with Deco Art Teal Mint, as well as Deco Art Orange Flame, and my white is Artist Loft. Everything has water Floetrol, and my 2 colors have silicone. I'm going to be doing a kind of a puddle pour, and I'll be blowing with my straw today. So here we go. So I'm really happy with the overall look of the box, especially once I added the resin. I think it really made it pop. The colors that I chose really came out to life, and I think they're so beautiful. I wanted to thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time. Bye.